Happy Easter, everyone. It is Saturday. What are we doing today,
April
Cooper?
4th. We're at Grandma's house right now. It's 11:08 a.m. We're having pizza and Chipotle, then dyeing Easter eggs and playing here all afternoon today.
And what do you notice about the sky?
It's sunny.
It's actually nice out for
and
once.
It's 62 degrees today.
Super nice. It's been nasty out. Like freezing cold the last month and a half and raining a ton. So pretty lucky that it's nice out today. What are you most excited about for Easter?
Everything, like dyeing Easter eggs, going on an Easter egg hunt to find Easter eggs from the Easter Bunny.
Nice. Carter, do you want to say Happy Easter? Say hi.
Do you want some more?
Camden, you want to say hi?
Do you want some Easter eggs there?
Where's the Easter eggs?
Oh, the Easter
Camden,
eggs.
come here.
You're naughty.
You want to ride that? Hey, do you want to say Happy Easter? You're ruining everyone's life. Camden, are you going to ruin the video? Chloe, do you want to say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
What?
Happy Easter.
Okay, Carter, let him ride it, please.
Happy
Get off.
Easter.
Get off, Carter.
I got to ride it today, babe.
Then get over it. You'll be fine. He's going to eat soon.
We're gonna be here for a while.
Chloe, are you excited for Easter?
Yeah.
And a reminder to anyone watching this video to be kind.
What?
I'm telling people in the world to be kind.
What?
Not you. I'm telling the video.
Oh, yeah.
Because there are some kids that are not so kind. Specifically, 2 that live in our neighborhood. And if you're watching this, you know who you are.
Yes.
So be kind, okay?
And stop following me around after school.
Because honestly, nobody's going to want to be your friend if you're rude to people. So stop it. Be happy. Carson, are you excited for Easter?
Yeah, I saw the new Mario movie yesterday.
How was it? How many stars out of 10?
10.
Dad, can I show you this?
200,000.
Okay.
Guys, can I show you this meme?
What?
Oh, Charlie! Charlie, that really hate!
The Charlie Bit Me video? That's like old school YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna go get some Chipotle.
Hey.
I always love Chipotle catering. Look at all that food. Are you having Chipotle, Carter? Camden, are you having Chipotle? You are? It looks so good. Cody, do you want to say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
What'd you make?
Easter
Hey Carter, what are we doing?
We're dyeing Easter eggs.
What color did you pick first?
I picked red and green.
Nice.
Carson, I'm gonna put you right next to Chloe.
Yes, Carson.
Camden, what colors did you pick, Camden? What colors? Blue and green?
Come on, Charlie.
You need to go potty? Go potty.
Oh my God, Dad.
Number 1 Cleveland Browns fan. What colors did you pick?
Charlie, that really hates.
Green and orange. What colors, Cooper?
I have right now to start off with I have yellow, red, and pinkish, then orange.
Nice. Are you excited, Cam? Hey, Cody, you excited to dye eggs too?
Yeah.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yes?
Yeah, just drop it in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you wait.
I want to eat it.
There, leave it in there for a few minutes. Now put one in the next one.
Meow.
Here, put one in the green and the red and the orange.
I want to wait. I want to go.
Carson, don't crack it.
Yeah, don't crack them.
Yeah. Don't crack them and make them crack.
Cody,
Cody, yours looks
yours looks really good, Cody. Good job.
I want to move.
Can I see yours, Cam?
I want to move.
So good.
Are
Are you having fun? Maybe you can help Cooper.
Camden, there's a blue.
Ice cream time. We're celebrating Camden and Grandpa Steve's birthday because they both have birthdays this month. And look at that cake. Doesn't that cake look cool?
Guys.
Actually, I might need matches actually. This doesn't work.
Camden, are you excited for your birthday cake?
Yeah. So
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camden and Steve. Happy birthday to you.
let's go, baby.
There we
Good job. Woo! How's your cake, Cody? Is it good? Yum. Dairy Queen cake's the best, isn't it? Camden, did you get your cake? Happy birthday.
And no plate.
Yep, it's a bowl, not a plate. That's okay.
That's so many years ago.
So are you gonna eat the chocolate?
Yep, all of it.
Okay, Chloe, what? You've been saying this Charlie bit me thing all day.
Mommy, Charlie bits me. I have Charlie. Charlie, you have me.
I end up tomorrow.
No, Dad, I have. Right now it's 7:14 p.m. and we have carrots and water out for the Easter bunny.
That's a lot of carrots. You think he'll eat them all?
I think so, and I wonder how much he'll drink his water. And I'm going to sleep at 9 o'clock tonight, so that way the Easter bunny can come and fill out our baskets. I wonder what we're going to get in our baskets at our house and Grandma's house tomorrow. We'll just have to. It's a surprise. We'll have to wait and see.
All right, Carter, you got all the baskets set up?
Yeah.
You think the bunny's gonna lay eggs in them?
Yeah.
Isn't that
If we're
crazy?
bad, we get carrots.
Yeah, burned carrots. Good morning, everyone. It's like 2 in the morning.
No, it's 7.
Nobody in this house ever sleeps.
Yeah, me too.
No, what time is it?
Hi, happy Easter.
It's way too early. What are we doing?
We're
Waiting for-
opening our stuff.
We gotta wait for Chloe, and then we're gonna go see if the Easter bunny laid any eggs.
Yeah, I saw them. And me.
Where are they?
Oh, they're in the backyard. Backyard.
What?
Let's go. Go.
Careful. Slowly. Bunny prints. Whoa. Cody.
Move a little bit.
A middle school.
What did you get? Cody, grab your basket. Oh, and this, can I smell it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And I got like a 4 setup.
You got number 6, Cody.
I got a
Wow.
what?
A Mickey Mouse gift card?
Cody, can you move?
Oh, I got a t-shirt over
Number
there.
blocks.
SeaTac Airport.
A new SeaTac shirt, Cooper?
Yeah. That's Easter bunny.
Cody, you want your basket?
What are these? You have to look. You probably get you.
Those look like the bunnies from Toy Story, don't they?
Yeah, kind of. The Cody. What? Let me see.
And what is this, Cam?
Oh, something from
The Melissa and Doug garage? It's kind of like from Hang Time, right? Whoa.
No, here.
Oh yeah, the Easter bunny did lay eggs out here. Alright, it's Easter egg hunt time. So who's going to do the countdown?
Me.
All of you. Start from 5. 5.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, Cody.
Good luck finding them. Save some for Cody. Wow. You get any?
Yeah.
You have a lot, and you're going to get more today. Did you find some? Did you find some, Code? Nice. Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
What are we doing here?
Hey.
We're going to look for Easter eggs?
Yeah.
I don't know if you'll be able to find them.
Yeah.
They're really hard to find. Look,
No, they're so easy.
they're super hard to find. Sometimes you guys walk right by them.
Like, there's one right here.
There is?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even see that one. Happy Easter, guys.
Happy Easter.
It's a beautiful day.
We'll get sure of all the kids.
I'm glad the Easter bunny found all his eggs.
Yeah.
Carson, move over just a little bit so we can see the Easter bunny.
That looks fun. How high can you jump, Cam? Okay, happy Easter, Chloe. What'd you get?
Wieners, double.
deviled eggs. Hot potato salad, lasagna from
Yum.
Clifford. Garfield.
Garfield's lasagna.
What you have, okay? Want some cheese?
You want the meat? What?
Yum.
You want that?
Cooper, really? Do you find any? Good choice, Carson. Cody, look at all these eggs you're walking by.
That's so funny how many they ran, all those kids go by all these eggs.
Camden, get it. Come over here and get this one. Camden, it's a Moana egg. Camden, look, Moana. Got any, Carter? Good job, Luke. Good job, buddy.
I see a soccer egg too.
Well, in the tree there's some too. And there's another soccer egg over here. And there's one over there, there. There's a ton of them over here. There's so many eggs. The funny part is what they run by so many. Chloe, there's a ton on that tree. Show me. Whoa.
And I found a cod.
So cool. Are you gonna get any eggs, Mark? You get any?
There's a lot of empty ones on the ground.
Yeah. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Hi, Happy Easter, Pepper.
I got a Mickey Mouse.
Look how much I got a lot of Easter eggs from the Easter Bunny. I hunt them really fast so that way I can get a lot of Easter eggs and cool surprises in here.
That's a lot of eggs. You did a good job. How many eggs did you get, Carter?
Like a lot.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, Cooper, how many? Here. How many years have we been doing this Easter egg hunt now?
Right, it's
Almost
2020.
14 years?
Yeah.
A long time. Chloe, how are you doing? Are you having fun? Happy Easter. Not having fun. Chloe's having a horrible day.
Yeah.
She hates Easter so much.
Charlie, that's really hate.
How many sports eggs did you get? Quite a few? Oh, you found the secret blue one? Oh, you found Cooper's egg? Good job, Cody. Cody's probably already eating all his candy. Look at half his eggs are open. Look at Cody's bucket. Have you been opening your eggs? He opens them. What did you get?
A dog.
Say what?
Oh,
Kinda strange.
keychain and bracelet.
Oh, good job, Carter. Oh, you got Melissa's egg?
Yeah.
So you got Melissa and Cooper's egg.
Come here, girl.
Dad, look.
Well, you got a lion?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's a nice picture.
An egg inside of an egg. Open the other egg. What if there was an egg in that egg? Eggception.
I've never heard of such a thing.
Camden, did you get the Moana egg?
Yeah.
You got a lot of stuff.
You want no egg?
Did you fare pretty good there, Olivia?
And me.
Yeah? Chloe, how much did you get?
You
Oh, you did pretty good too. And you got a car?
did one egg.
You got a lot of eggs? Okay, go.
Well, I had a great Easter. I'm going to spend night at Nan's house with Nolan tonight. Then tomorrow we're going to be doing something, going out to lunch in the library. I had a great Easter, and a big thank you to the Easter Bunny for bringing all of us our, stuff and Easter eggs. He made us all very happy, Easter Bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny. I'll see you next year, and our next vlog will probably be the Disney cruise.
Okay, bye. Are you going to keep an eye on him? You going to stay out of trouble? Right, doubt it. Nolan's a troublemaker.
Why are you wearing black and solar glasses?
Because they're cool. Cody, have you had a fun Easter?
I won second race.
Yeah. Well, thought we'd check in. We missed Ava this year. No Ava, which is a bummer. So Ava, if you're watching, we've missed you. Hope you had a good Easter playing softball. Cody, how much candy did you get?
What do you have?
10,000 candies? Carson,
What?
how was your Easter?
Good.
We still have baskets to open, don't we?
Yep.
What do you think you're going to get?
I don't know.
What do you hope to get?
$2.
V-Bucks. What's that?
On Fortnite.
What's Fortnite?
Hi.
I do?
Yeah, you do.
I have the Tong 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 Shakur.
Yeah, me too.
Brain rot.
What's up?
Hi.
What's up?
Oh, happy Easter, Lotso. It's so nice out today. All right, Camden, show us your slide. Come closer to us so we can actually see it. Move it, Lotso. Slide. Right here. Run and slide. Nice.
There's one person, please. Hi.
How was your Easter?
Hello. Can I show you guys my slide?
Yep.
So we just did. I got mine. Okay, fine. What?
Wow.
What's mine?
Now it's time to open Easter baskets.
I get. It's just making it open. Yes, Carter. Right. Let's open it.
Cooper went with my
I
mom.
got a Fandango gift card.
Camden, which one's yours? Oh, that one's yours. That's your old basket.
You guys look at Grandma.
Okay, now you guys ready to open?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Look at
Smile,
Grandma.
Cody.
Trixie. Yeah, I mixed.
What, M&M's?
Gift card. What? I got
Whoa.
Robux. What you got? Robux? I got Feastables. What?
Cody's already opened the M&M's, Melissa. Look,
Daddy, we got Feastables.
Paw Patrol toothbrush.
We had no one.
Cody, that's all you wanted?
Feastables.
Cody's like, I got my M&M's. I'm good.
So cool, Cam. Thank you. What did you get, Cam?
Well, that's a lot.
Fandango gift card for the movie.
I got a
What?
Carter, I got face.
Lucky.
I got one toothbrush. And I got toothpaste. Cody, you get Feastables? Look, you got
Hey guys, just want to get on here really quick. Say thanks for watching this Easter vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye.